Are you a broadcaster, rights holder, or publisher of digital sports video? Then your world is about to be transformed. Why? Because with Linius, no two streams need ever be the same again. Provide every viewer with a hyper-personalized video feed of the exact sporting moments that matter to them. No human hands required. It's the single biggest change in video production, delivery, and consumption for sport, ever. And it's only possible with Linius. Instantly search the data within video from across any number of sources, and automatically assemble the results on the fly. Internet giants like Google and Facebook make their money from personalization, but it hasn't been applied to video content itself until now. Deliver previously impossible hyper-personalized content experiences and monetize your video like never before. Drastically boost fan engagement and viewership numbers. Drive new subscription revenue. Know your audience for the first time with frame-level consumption insights. Dramatically increase the value of content distribution rights and slash video production costs. Let us show you how. In this example, you have broadcast rights to the World Boxing Championships. You've set up a boxing portal for your premium subscribers. Easily find, assemble, and watch any video elements pulled from multiple disparate video sources in real time. Let's watch all the knockdowns involving both Lomachenko and Linares. Create hyper-personalized video experiences live like nobody else can. It's a world first set to revolutionize sportscasting, television, and video everywhere. Stitch together specific actions related to any fighter or any match, instantly pulled into a single stream based on chosen search criteria without any manual effort. With Linius, it really is that easy to deliver and consume previously impossible hyper-personalized video experiences. The secret? Video virtualization. Linius's video virtualization engine unlocks traditional digital video files, removing the container that houses the video data. Nobody else can do this. The exposed video data is made instantly searchable and enriched by applying meta tags with artificial intelligence, inserting business rules, or integrating third-party data sources. Now, you can search for specific objects across any video stream or catalog, stitch together relevant clips from disparate sources on the fly, and instantly reassemble into a single video for playback. And because it all happens virtually and programmatically without moving any source files or requiring any human intervention, you can deliver an infinite number of hyper-personalized video streams. Manage, manipulate, and enhance video data in real time and transit between source and screen for the first time with Linius. Empower viewers to independently create custom video in milliseconds, or push tailored sports feeds to subscribers based on preferences, viewing habits, or any business rule. Lead the sportscasting revolution and deliver truly personalized content at scale with Linius. Slash video content production and delivery costs. Gauge audiences and build subscribers. And develop new content-based revenue streams. Linius provides the missing link between your video and your bottom line. Discover why no two streams need ever be the same again. Change the game with Linius.